What's up everybody, Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be taking a quick look at 5.0 Resto's rear ashtray receptacle designed for the 1987 to 1993 Fox Mustangs. Alright guys, this ashtray receptacle is going to appeal to the Fox Mustang enthusiasts out there wanting to replace a damaged or missing ashtray receptacle. This particular ashtray receptacle is located at the rear of the center console and installs into the armrest or armrest delete panel. 5.0 Resto's ashtray receptacle features OE-like plastic construction and is molded in black to closely mimic the factory piece. The push label is also properly placed on the receptacle, indicating which side needs to be pushed so that it swings open in the right direction. To install this ashtray receptacle into your car, start by removing the access cover with a plastic push pin removal tool. Loosen and remove the two 8mm bolts. Do the same for the other side. Remove the armrest from the car. Now if your car has an armrest delete panel, simply pull up on the delete, as there is no need to remove the hardware. On the back side of either of those components, release the small tabs to remove the existing receptacle. Install the new ashtray, making sure the tabs fully seat. Reinstall the armrest or the delete panel. Retighten the 8mm retaining bolts and then reinstall the access covers. Now if your ashtray receptacle was missing, all you have to do is take your new one and snap it into place. There you have it guys, this 5.0 Resto rear ashtray receptacle is the perfect finishing touch to the interior on your 87 to 93 Fox body. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning.